Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change hotspot name on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, changing the hotspot name allows you to personalize it to your liking, making it easier to identify among other available networks. Not only that, using a unique hotspot name also can help prevent unauthorized access as it makes it more difficult for others to guess or identify your hotspot. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, so here select connections and look for mobile hotspot and tethering option. Tap on it. Okay, and here select the first one. After that, tap on network name to rename your hotspot network. After finishing, and then click save here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change hotspot name on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.